Let's draw candy corn.
Artsy with Mariah.
Welcome to Artsy with Mariah, where we turn a blank piece of paper into a colorful masterpiece. All you're gonna need for today's video is a piece of paper and something to color with. Let's go on our drawing adventure. Before we start, I wanna thank Emmy for today's drawing idea. First, we're gonna make the outside shape for our candy corn. Candy corn looks a lot like a triangle, but instead of having pointy edges, the edges are typically round. So we're gonna draw our triangle with rounded edges. So you guys can watch how I'm doing this, and if you ever feel like I'm going a little too fast, please feel free to pause the video or even watch it again once we're done. Now that we have the outside of our candy corn shape, I'm gonna add 2 lines that are going to create the stripes for our candy corn. We're gonna add one curved line to the top and another curved line towards the bottom of our candy corn. And this is going to help us create orange and white stripes for our candy corn. Once we have the stripes, it's time to add a smiley face to our candy corn. I'm gonna do that by creating a face with 2 simple eyes, which will be little black dots. And then I'm gonna add a simple smiley face underneath it, which will just be a curved line. Then I think it'd be really fun if we made our candy corn a little character. So I'm gonna add 2 little legs underneath my candy corn. And I'm gonna do that by drawing a leg and a foot coming out of it. Something that I love about drawing is you can kind of add legs and hands and a smiley face to almost any simple object that's laying around your house. You could do strawberries, you could do an avocado, you could even do this to a banana. By adding a smiley face and hands and legs, it turns it into a character, which is so much fun. So I'm gonna add arms to my candy corn. I'm gonna draw one arm that comes down like this. And then I want it to be waving. So I'm gonna draw another arm that's coming up into the sky and looks like my candy corn is waving at the camera. And now for my favorite part of the day, adding in the color. But first, while you guys finish up your drawing, I wanna introduce you to my old friend. He's gonna share with you guys the word of the day.
Hello friends, my name is Artsy Arthur. My old friend Mariah asked me if I'd be willing to come onto the show and share our word of the day. So let's get to it. Today's word is moderation. Moderation means having just enough candy corn so you enjoy the sweet treat, but not so much that it makes your tummy feel yucky. Moderation is a very impactful skill for you to master in life. That reminds me, I'm rather hungry for a moderate amount of candy corn. Now, let's get back to our drawing lesson with my pal Mariah. Toodaloo.
Thank you, Arthur. It was so good to see you. Okay, you guys, let's fill in the color on our candy corn. I'm gonna start by taking an orange coloring crayon and I'm gonna fill in this top part of our candy corn. We're gonna be drawing stripes today. So this first stripe is what we're gonna fill in with this orange color. Next, I'm gonna fill in the bottom stripe with that orange coloring crayon as well. Since candy corn is typically orange and white, I actually don't have to fill in the middle of my candy corn because my piece of paper is also white. And there you have it, our very own candy corn drawing. I can't wait to see what you guys came up with. Today's featured artist is Jesse. Wow, didn't he do an amazing job on his flower pot drawing? I love the way that he drew the stems on his flowers and the flowers coming out of them. Keep up the great work, Jesse. I can't wait to see what you do next. If you would like to become our next featured artist, ask an adult to go to artsywithmariah.com. Remember, the sky is the limit when it comes to your imagination, so keep drawing and keep dreaming. I'll see you guys on my next artsy adventure.
Remember to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all things Artsy with Mariah. Until next time, toodaloo, my artsy friends.